This week we are going to be discussing our soft gel tips. Let's first talk about the fact that these are soft gel tips. What does that mean? It means that it's made out of gel. It's not out of plastic, and soft gel is dissolvable by acetone. Inside, you get a pack of tips, 15 sizes, and then there are 10 of these sets inside one package. So these are the different lengths, and you can file them, you can do all kinds of things like that. If I use the swivel, it's kind of hard to tell what the tip and the base is. So the tip is always going to have the little number underneath. That's how you know that should be facing up. And can I reuse the tip? Which means if I had applied regular polish over this and I did a really nice design that I really like and I want to save it for later, you would be able to do that with this. So I cannot wait for you all to try it because you will feel fabulous.